yeah, yeah, I love ya. You know I got time for you, baby. I kiss and hug ya. Yeah, I got time for you, baby. Yeah, I love ya. You know I got time for you, baby. I kiss and hug ya. You know I got time for you, baby. She with it. She, come on, come on, come on. She with it. She, yeah, yeah, yeah. She with it. She, alright. She with it. Yeah, yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my first YouTube video for my channel. My name is Mama Shy, and I'm going to show you how I got these fabulous curls using only 3 products. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be starting this video out on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb and part my hair from ear to ear. Once we have our first section ready to work with, we're going to go in with our Denman brush and just detangle that section and follow up with some more water. And our first product we'll be using is the Mille Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Soufflé. I probably said that wrong, so I'm just going to link it down below for you guys to see. But I got this at Target. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but just remember, a little bit goes a long way. So we're going to be saturating that section with this product, and then we're going to follow up with our Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk and rice milk and macadamia oil. Once we have that product in our hair, we're going to go ahead and finger coil. I use just a little bit of hair, enough. I don't even know how to describe this. You guys can just kind of see what I'm working with right now, but I'm just going to start twisting it around my fingers and around and around, and then pull my finger through, and then what that's going to do is just create the perfect curl. I'm just going to go ahead and do this through that entire section until it's complete. Now that our first section is complete, we're going to follow up on our second section and do the exact same thing. Make sure we get that hair wet, make sure it is detangled, go in with our twisting souffle, followed up with our leave-in, and begin doing the exact same thing. I don't twist in any specific direction. If I'm using both hands or fingers, then I just twist opposite directions so that my hair is not looking all the exact same way. If that makes sense, that's just what works for me. I'll definitely try some different methods out and see what works for you, and comment down below if you see a difference. And this is what my hair looks like about halfway through. Y'all see the curls coming through? It's bomb. Highly moisturized. Beautiful. Now we're going to work to the top section. So if your hair is anything like mine, I usually do all of my protective styles with a center part. So I'm going to show you guys how I correct that. But for now, I'm just going to work on the sides. The exact same thing, guys. Everything is the exact same thing. Each section, you're gonna get it wet, add your product, and make sure that it is detangled before you start twisting. So this is that middle part situation that I was telling you about. What I'm going to do is brush through directly on my scalp to kind of get rid of that center part. And then I'm going to twist starting kind of from the middle back area, working my way forward. And I don't want to go from side to side as if there was a center part. I'm really bad at explaining things, I'm learning, but it's okay guys. We're going to get through this together. So y'all can just watch the video and see what I'm talking about. Styling gel, just a little bit guys, a little goes a long way, and just scrunch your hair in an upward motion. Then we are going to follow up with the Mama Shy's OG Growth Oil. This is our #1 seller for Mama Shy's hair products, and what I love about this oil is you can apply it directly to your scalp with the applicator, and that's what we'll be doing here. Then we're going to add a little bit in our hands and do the exact same thing that we did with the gel and just scrunch it on our ends in an upward motion. What I love to do after I've applied my oil is I'll either go in with my fingers or I'll use this shampoo brush, but I use it as a massager. Sorry, that's such a weird thing to say, hard thing to say. But yes, then I just massage the oil into my scalp and allow it to do its wonderful work, and it smells so good. It smells like peppermint and rosemary, and it's just a great way to end your protective styles or whatever style you're using for the week. It's just a great way just to seal the deal. So we're going to seal in all our moisture with the oil, and there we go, y'all. See these curls? It's absolutely wonderfully beautiful. This style usually lasts me maybe about, I can push it for a week, but if I'm just doing the right thing, we'll say about 4 to 5 days. So once we're done with that, we're going to put it up in a pineapple and let it dry, and that is day 2 hair. So I usually let my hair stay in the pineapple overnight. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you next week.